Alright, ladies and gentlemen, CAT 2020 preparation. CAT 2020 is notification is coming on 2nd of August 2020. Examination is scheduled to happen on 29th of November 2020. So if you see that way, we have 122 days left. If we remove all the festivities and the festivals we'll have in this course of our preparation, let's keep aside 15-20 days. So we'll have 100 days exact to prepare. Last week I had a personalized Zoom meeting with all my students. I sent invites to almost 600 students. 400 odd students turned up. 200 students did not come. I called them, some of them, and I got this feedback that few students have lost their hopes of preparation. They're saying that, sir, as we are left with only 100 days or 120 days, how do we prepare for it? And I have lost all my hopes of preparation. I want to tell you one thing, that I am in regular touch with all my students every Saturday and Sunday on Zoom. I send invites for Zoom meeting, talk to them. I personally make them a study chart. I analyze as to what is their FundaCat, the mock test score, how they should be improving. A lot of students don't come and open up in the Zoom meeting also. They don't talk to us. This is a message to all those guys. कि इस साल हिम्मत हार जाओगे, अगले साल भी यही हालात रहेंगे. हालात नहीं बदलने वाले, कैट आसान नहीं होने वाला है. तुमको लगता है 100 दिन में तैयारी नहीं हो पाएगी, अगले साल भी फिर इसी समय खड़ा रहोगे और सोचोगे कि मेरी फिर से तैयारी नहीं हो पाएगी. हिम्मत मत हारो, बात करो, स्ट्रैटेजी बनाओ, वीकली टारगेट्स बनाओ और अपनी तैयारी को शुरू करो. पहले ही हिम्मत हार जाने से रिजल्ट वैसे भी कुछ नहीं आने. और तुम ये जो सोचते हो कि अगले साल हम कर लेंगे, अगले साल जैसी कोई चीज होती नहीं. अगले साल भी फिर इसी मौके पे खड़े रहोगे और फिर तुम अगले साल के लिए सोचते रहोगे. तो प्रोक्रास्टिनेट करने से, काम को टालने से काम खत्म नहीं होता है. तो मैं ये कहना चाहता हूँ सभी बच्चों से, जो बच्चे पार्टिसिपेट नहीं कर रहे हैं ऑनलाइन स्टडीज में, क्योंकि ऑफलाइन क्लासेस अभी बंद हैं. हम लोग चाहते हैं जल्दी खुले, लेकिन खुल नहीं पा रहा है. ऑनलाइन क्लासेस जब तक चल रही हैं तब तक पूर्ण इस्तेमाल करिए. Make complete use of the online thing. We have got some wonderful online program. We have started basic classes from 15th of July. Only 4 or 5 classes have been conducted. You can definitely join those classes. Make a quick revision of the complete syllabus and ensure that you are writing the mocks on time and talking to me on Saturday and Sunday. Right? I will give you a personalized plan of a week. You study. You see as to what is about to be done in the next week. Next week again meet me and say that you have done this. What should be the next target? Our teachers, our faculty members will personally talk to you. They will personally set targets for you and they will guide you, in the best possible way. So don't lose hopes, ladies and gentlemen. The time has come when we should be giving our 100% towards the goal of our life. Trust me, 29th of November 2020. If it is the day and the best day for you, the life will turn the best course for you. Okay, so everything depends on the kind of practice you make for these 100 days, so that you may make those 3 hours your golden hours for the next, rest of your life. Right? The whole career is waiting for you. So please don't give up. Talk to your parents. Talk to your teachers. Don't get depressed. Don't lose hope, and Fundamakers always is there for you. And all those students who think that they can't make, trust me, chase the weekly targets for the next 1 month, and you yourself say things are changing, things are coming around, and you lose hope only when you don't study. So make sure that you study, you give your 100%. The more you give from yourself to your studies, the better fulfillment you have from the studies as well. All right. So everything is give and take policy. You give hard work and studies will pay you back. Okay, don't lose your confidence, don't lose hope. CAT notification is coming on 2nd of August 2020. Let's rock it. Fundamakers rocks. You as a Fundamakers student will rock. Thank you so much. Bye. Take care.